Hey everyone, how's everybody doing today on this Super Bowl Sunday? I'm not into football at all, so everybody's downstairs getting ready to watch the Super Bowl, which gives me plenty of time to prepare my speech. I would like to dedicate this special occasion speech to my oldest son, Maurice, who will be 16 years old in a few weeks. First and foremost, I cannot believe it has been 16 years since this little guy entered my life and changed it in so many ways. It does make me feel kind of old now that I think about it. Well, on March 19th, 2003, at 7:29 p.m., Maurice Anthony was born in Germany in the middle of a thunderstorm. I guess that was a hint from above how my life was about to change. I had no clue what I was doing. I was 19 years old when I got pregnant and 20 when I had him. When he was 3 months old, his dad deployed to Iraq, and it was just Maurice and I for a long time. We always had a special bond, but that time was critical, and all we had was each other. The military moved our family many times throughout the years, and Maurice had to change schools and leave friends behind. His sweet little personality and his big brown eyes still make my heart melt instantly. Not so much when he hit someone's side mirror off with a snow shovel thinking he was Optimus Prime when he was a little boy. Maurice is currently a sophomore in high school and was selected to join the Young Leadership Conference in Washington, D.C. last year. He has been playing soccer pretty much ever since he could walk and is currently playing for his high school soccer team. Words cannot describe how thankful I am to be his mother. He made me a better person. This is a tribute to my son, Maurice.